Hey folks, and welcome to the Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Rob Appell, one of the quilt makers here, and I'm super excited to see all of you for the Boho Heart Block of the Month. That's right, this awesome 15-month Block of the Month program designed by Jen Kingwell herself offers these super clever and unique quilt blocks in all of these electric colors, and my goodness, it is just fabulous. It's got that scrappy feel, but super organized. And of course, you know me, I'm a big fan of the negative space in the background. So like I said, this is going to be awesome. The quilt starts 68, excuse me, I said starts. Of course, the quilt starts here. The quilt finishes 68 by 80 inches when it's all done. Your first month, you will have the wonderful pattern book, which is going to break down all of the different blocks we have available for you. As you go through, you can see the full color pages, making things very nice and easy as you're working. We have in the first month so many different fabric parts and pieces. I haven't unpacked them all. I didn't want to mess up somebody's block of the month, of course, but you can see we've got a really great range of the way that colors and fabrics are going to play together. Of course, with your block of the month, you'll also get one of our printout pages here that has a real good reference point for the front, more of the information going along through the different months. As you can see, there's a few different individual month breakdowns, some of the diagrams to help you see where you're working, and of course a seating chart. Not really, but I just thought that would be fun to say. And like all of our other block of the months, we have our welcome letter, which will give you some of the final information and most importantly, the Facebook group. This is your QR code or your link to the Facebook group where we communicate, we share our pictures, we share our stories, we share our progress of how we're doing on the Boho Heart quilt. Of course, we have a color fabric key digital if you're not a paper kind of fan. So you may subscribe to our newsletter and all the other information you need with each and every block of the month. And of course, if this Boho Heart isn't your style, but you happen on this video, please check out stitchinheaven.com so you can make sure you find a block of the month to keep you sewing along with us and the rest of the community right here at Stitch in Heaven. Thanks again, folks, and enjoy the Boho Heart by Jen Kingwell.